Hey all, so I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to install Bitwarden and enable to get it so it's set up and you can get all the password manager and everything all configured so it'll be able to work with your system. So first off, you want to be able to go to Bitwarden extension. So from here, you'll download the password extension, not that one, and then just probably easier, whatever your browser is. So for me, it's for Firefox. Make it a little bit easier, quicker, boom, just like that. So very simple. All right, now with that, it says email address right on top. And then from there, it says logging in on, and then go to self-hosted since I'm the one hosting it. So from here, you'll want to go back to that URL that I shared with y'all. This one's a different one because this is one that I'm going to trash as soon as I'm done showing y'all, so no one else can see it, so I can share this with everyone. So here you go in, and this, you'll want to go back down to self-hosted, and then you put it in right here. So there you go. And that's really as simple as it is. So from there, you'll have this URL, you'll save it, and then you'll put in your email address, and then remember email, just so it makes it easier in the future. And there you go. That's everything. It's all set up. So now you do that with all of your computers, and then you can do the same with the app, and it's all set up every time that you want to go. So, and then all you need to do is export that CSV.